guys, so we got a lot going on tonight. We are wrapping Nick's car, wrapping the roof, all black. Got the shop seat over here, the boys.
What up?
We got the James.
What's up, dog?
What you doing over here?
Just fixing it up. Fixing it.
Yeah, hydro wasn't mounted. It's kind of shaking a lot, so we just making a little plate for it. And
Is this for your vlog?
yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for real. You're on it. Live. I just made him really uncomfortable.
Camera shy.
So is this just gonna be the new couch that sits out here? So this is the rear seat of the Beamer, guys.
You don't need it, right?
Freshly painted.
Yeah, freshly painted 2 days ago.
We're just testing it out. Seeing if the paint
Breaking
stays.
it.
They got painted?
Yeah, 2 days ago. It's all dry.
No, it's final paint. Don't worry. It's
See,
not gonna
did
go
you even
anywhere.
think it was painted, or did you just think they were fresh seats?
Just thought maybe they're fresh.
$8.
Never like
Refurbished.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah. Paint was So we just removed all the sound deadening a few days ago, and we're getting ready to paint the whole interior. So don't want to say what color it'll be, but it's gonna look good. So I'm just trying to get everything mounted and finalized before we start painting it. So here's all the shininess.
Get out of here.
Stretching legs.
There we go.
And then just painted some trim pieces, the rear seats.
Go.
Gonna get a whole new interior set up.
Tool belt though. Oh, okay.
We got Bob the Builder over here.
You know what? In kill mode on you.
Is that what you're gonna take to Area 51?
Yeah.
See, they're having a concert down there now?
Yeah.
That's gonna be so cool.
There's a
At
concert.
Area 51?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
a concert. There's a car show. Everything's going down
it'd
there.
be pretty
No
fun
way.
to go to.
Yeah, honestly,
Cruise?
just to see.
Eat some freaking breakfast off of this plate right now. Your trunk.
Wait, hold
So,
What?
Hold up.
so
This is Nick, everyone.
hi. We got the tortilla chips. What are these? Hot and spicy.
Spicy boys.
Dynamite.
Can you just tell me why these are all
We got those.
Yeah, why are these in your trunk?
All right, so
These can't be carried in your car.
no. So listen, there's a story behind this.
Just in case it's
So I took my mom to the
it on
store,
the
and
seat.
she loves her deals. So she got like 5 for $5 on the chips. So
They're all yours.
they're mine now.
And they're in your trunk for no reason.
Oh no,
Instead of in your
special
car.
occasion.
Oh!
Wait. This is what we really need right here. Watch. This is the best part. So I actually want to make like a cutting board for this, just so we can like kick it with it. On like nights like this.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, display pieces? Yeah, bet.
Hey, Casey, can we wrap it?
So, now would be a good time to drop it.
Drop what?
Drop it.
Oh, we're opening a shop.
Boom.
Yep, it's happening.
We're most likely opening a wrap shop pretty soon, and we're hyped. So if you want anything wrapped or any like, we're probably gonna do like headliners and stuff. If you guys saw the Starry Night thing that Casey did, just like stuff like that and roof wraps. We're gonna be having a few deals in the beginning too. So if you are interested in any of that, it's loud. If you're interested in any of that though, just message Casey or I, and we'll like figure something out and schedule something. Because Casey used to rap at where?
I worked at SSI Performance, a BMW shop in Anaheim, for like, well, I wasn't a direct employee there, as I just facilitated the wraps for them for about 6 months, and then yeah, things just got a little too busy in my life, so I slowed down on rapping, went back to the family business, and now I'm back and I want to rap again. So
So it's happening.
it's happening.
If you're interested, let us know. And we're hyped.
Get you back in the studio. Glad to have you back.
Okay, so Vivid, it sticks a lot quicker. If you've noticed with this one, I've been able to lift it super easy and
Is the
nothing's...
adhesive different?
Yeah, so this adhesive is a pressure activated
Bro,
No
adhesive.
pressure.
I was feeling it.
He doesn't want no sunroofs elite.
I don't. I like my roof, Sonny.
So when do you think we'll open it up? When are you shooting for?
I don't know. I'm hoping in like 2 months.
Y'all hiring?
Optimal. Y'all hiring? Yeah, maybe eventually.
Yeah, actually.
I did this.
How long has it been?
10 minutes.
Since you started?
Yeah. I'll have it cut in 30.
Yep, so let us know if you want a $100 roof wrap.
Promo's only going on for a little bit.
Yeah, probably. Probably just the beginning of us opening.
Open a beer.
I use
Fix my eyes.
my teeth sometimes. I should.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
Just so you know, you're being judged by everybody.
Yeah, I can
And they're only gonna get their car wrapped if you do it
Like
perfectly
McQueen.
this one time.
Live stream shit.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
IPAs. Oh my
Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh gosh.
The anxiety.
Is that next? Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot you have one. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's almost dead.
Just be careful because I haven't folded that down yet.
I'm feeling
So the shop isn't gonna be here. We're gonna actually get a shop.
And then Ian's like,
What is going on?
yeah, so like, why did you pull us over?
So, so we're wrapping my trim. Like a sewing circle in here.
I'm scared.
I can't wear these glasses, they're way too bright. See what I'm doing?
Kinda, not really. You just hold it there?
No, here. Get real close. You do that? That's exactly what you do. Slow down, slow down. Slow down. Get closer. Slow down. There we go. Get a little closer. Slow down. That was good though. That was just fun. Get closer. There you go. You're gonna want to be like a machine. You want the same.
know.
You want the same thing. Over
Over
there,
and over.
not like.
Yeah, that's cool though.
Yeah.
My first time attempting to weld, courtesy of James. Definitely be something I'd want to try and get into and learn more about.
Super fun.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
For stuff like this, you'd want to learn MIG, which is a lot easier.
Yeah.
And it's thing is, you can't weld MIG outside because it uses gas,
Mhm.
and any wind over 5 miles per hour will blow the gas away. You can't fit. Are you filming me again?
Yeah. What do you think?
No, I have something in my eye, but that looks really fucking good. I like it.
I don't even know.
Is it perfect?
So clean.
Is it perfect?
It is perfect.
It all just goes back.
How you doing, Casey?
Really tired.
So, it is finally done. Looks good. Looks pretty perfect. So let us know if you're interested in any type of wrap. And we're all done for the night. Pretty tired, pretty beat. So thanks for watching.